AP Showbiz Minute. The 10 movies battling it out for the Best Picture Oscar have been announced, and Brad Pitt's got a double shot at being in the winner. He features in 2 of the nominated films, Moneyball and The Tree of Life. The other 7 movies battling it out are War Horse, The Artist, The Descendants, Midnight in Paris, The Help, Extremely Loud and Incredibly Close, and Hugo, which leads the nominations with 11. Comedian Tracy Morgan has been released from hospital after collapsing during the Sundance Film Festival. Morgan posted a comment on Twitter saying that the high altitude shook up the kid from Brooklyn. He's now left the Park City Medical Centre and plans to be back at work on 30 Rock Tuesday. Jason Segel can add a Hasty Pudding Pot award to his career highlights. Harvard University's theatricals have named him their Man of the Year, while Claire Danes takes the Woman of the Year title. Segel will be honoured with a parade and a roast on February 3rd. This is Hilary Fox with AP Showbiz Minute.